Hey dear guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Android Health Connect feature. Android Health Connect allows you to securely share health and fitness data between apps like Fitbit, Samsung Health, Google Fit on your Android device. It acts as a central hub for data management, allowing you to manage permissions, sync metrics like steps, sleep, and heart rate, and protect your privacy. Now, to set this up and use the Health Connect, first of all go to Settings by opening your quick panel, then head to Security and Privacy. From there, you should be able to find Health Connect option over here. However, it is not shown because I have yet to sign into my Google account, but once you sign up, you should be able to find that option over here. And from there, open the Health Connect, then tap Get Started. Tap App Permission to see which apps are installed. Then select the app you want to connect. Could be Google Fit and MyFitnessPal or etc. Now select any of those applications, then select specific data types you want to share. Example could be steps, heart rate, distance according to your each applications. Then toggle on access for data types you want to allow. Then within the app, look under the data and access to see which apps have read or written data. And that is how you can use this Android Health Connect feature. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.